Hello and welcome to Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature, demonstrate a technique, and occasionally speak about Glyph scripting. And again today we're going to talk about another Glyph script, SqueezeCon. This script allows the user to select a connector and two grid points. The selected connector is copied, translated, and scaled to fit within the 2 points selected. The connector can be selected either prior to script execution or during execution of the script itself. So you'll again go to our GitHub repository, search the repository for SqueezeCon, and download here. Moving to Pointwise, first I'll show you the functionality of the script, and then I'll show you a practical application of the script. As I mentioned, this script will allow you to select a connector and then execute the script. If you don't select a connector and execute the script, it will prompt you to select a connector. So let's use the hotkey combination of Control E to rerun the script. We're going to select the connector with the points turned on. Next, it's going to prompt us for the grid points that we want to do the copy, translate, and scale transforms in between. We'll select this grid point here and this grid point here. And you can see that through the copy, translate, and scale transforms, the script attempts to keep the shape and character of the connector. The dimension is obviously copied over, and that's the result, or that's the functional use of this particular script. Next, let's take a look at a practical use of this particular script and something I've actually used the script for, and that's to hand draw the necessary topology for a quarter or OH topology that you often find in the region of a fillet. I want to get a connector between these 2 points that kind of respects the shape of those other connectors, and I can do that simply by copying this connector, or selecting that connector, running the script, choosing the endpoints I want to copy, translate, and scale between. The result is a connector that I can then build the rest of the structured topology on top of. Let me select these connectors to give you an idea of how quick it is to finish out this topology. We've generated the domains that we need, and now we can choose to split those to give us the connectors that we need. Now we have the connectors in the locations that we need, and we're well on our way to building the quarter H topology. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop us a line below or connect with us via Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.